What would you do if someone walked into your business today and told you that everything you had worked for no longer belonged to you? Imagine sacrificing years of hard work, sleepless nights, and every cent you had, only to be told to hand it over, or lose everything. That is the painful reality a Mozambican woman reportedly faced. But instead of surrendering her shop, she allegedly made a decision that has left thousands of people in shock. She began destroying the property inside herself, saying that if she could not keep it, no one else would. Her voice in the video is filled with pain, anger, and desperation, and it has reignited a fierce debate about the treatment of foreign nationals, rising tensions, and who is really paying the price. If you're joining us for the first time, subscribe so you don't miss any updates. And if you find this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Now, let's look at what reportedly happened, what witnesses are saying, and why this incident is generating strong reactions across social media and beyond.
Inhlangano somabhizinisi eMthonjaneni ibihambele izitolo zonke eMthonjaneni ngenhloso yokubheka bokufika basaqhubeka nokusebenza kanokuba uhulumeni ke seshilo ukuthi ke ababuyele ke emazweni abo. Lapha esithombeni sakho wesifazana umbono uthatha impahla yakhe ngedluzula ke umonakalo wokuqala khona wesifazana efuna imali engango 100,000 kusihlalo wenhlangano yosomabhizinisi eMthonjaneni ethi ngeke kwazi ukuhamba eshiya impahla yakhe ayithenge ngemali engaphezulu ka 100,000 ugcine sehlela ke ku 50,000 nalakhona ke okube inhlanga muka nomoya ke nalakhona aqhubeke khona ke nokuthi ke abulale yonke impahla yakhe ngaphakathi ngenhloso uthazanelise ke ukuze kwazi ukuthi umoya wakhe ehambe eSouth Africa ke unokuthula. Usihlalo wenhlangano yosomabhizinisi eMthonjaneni uchaze kanjena ke umva wesifazane ke sebulalwa waqeda impahla yakhe ke esaluni.
Manje sibona isitolo la ngathi kukhona into evanelezwayo ngathi kukhona okwenzekalayo Landis nawe sibonile futhi la sihlalo ukhona ngaphakathi.
Yebo.
Kwenzakalani?
Into ebikhona lapha usisi lo rana isalon so ke ube noticewe wasefika isikhathi sokuthi avalwe usisi ungwa ngaphandle eMozambique. Njoba evale isalon sakhe ke ubese ecelwa ukuthi akahande over kusomabhizinisi omusha ofisa ukurana le salon ukuze kungaphazamiseki ama-client ungaphazamiseki nabasebenzi abafisa ukusebenza abangabala eMthonjaneni. So ke ubiziwe ukuthi aka negotiate nosomabhizinisi ofisa ukungena abhekelele impahla yakhe ngaphakathi ukuthi angahanda over impahla yakhe ngamalini kusomabhizinisi esikutholile lapho kusurprisile isalon le abafowethu kodwa engekho emgangathweni otheni uthe ufuna 100,000. So mase singena ke sithi sifuna ukubheka lo 100,000 ukuthi into enjani sathi sicela ukuthi ke kubhalwe phansi each and every item engaphakathi sibone ukuthi ngempela iyawumitha 100,000 sathola ukuthi no izinto ezilapha zilingana u10,000 rand. So wasethi lo ozongena ucela ukumnike umoffer u10,000 rand. Unqabileke wathi yena ukhetha ukuphihliza yonke into njengoba benibona ke ephihliza.
Kepha thina mazakho ongasheshe siphetha ngikhuculula nje idolobha la eMthonjaneni ngicela ukuthi nomasipala wala uyathokoza uma unibona esihlalo nenze umsebenzi omuhle manje ngenhlangano.
Bafowethu sifisa uMthonjaneni ubuyele kubantu baseMthonjaneni. Kuqina imithetho yaseMthonjaneni. kuncipha i-drugs ngoba ubona benyakaza kabuhlungu kanjena nje sinamahlebezi ukuthi idleke zabo ubengafuna ukuphuma nje kuze idleke zama-drugs ngaphakathi futhi emthonjaneni so sifisa ukuthi-ke bafowethu akebe sifiwe sekufile sifuna ukulala nathi ekhaya ake behambe nabo bolala emakubo
so jeka sathokoza kakhulu iNingizimu Afrika reporters la emthonjaneni indaba ze-Inakho production unokwatsha asicheck noma ikuphi siyafika.
Nibulale konke namakhareji naloko mawufuna kunibulala ezani nesibani makasithi abangani kubeka ukubashela abafuna kunibulala abafuni ngizokukhuthaza ukuthola imali encane uma ningatholi lutho nibulale konke namakhareji naloko mawufuna kunibulala ezani nesibani makasithi